it up now.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Smell my feet. Smell my feet.
Oh yeah!
Look, smell my feet. Smell. I'm translating for him.
No! That's Marlene. Rodriguez. Hey, sixth graders, that's Renee Rodriguez. Your friend. Ow! He scratched me. Ow! 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 He slapped me. Look what he done to my arm. Rizzy. Do it to me.
Don't let him do it.
Lazy. I don't want to.
You're too lazy, Frizz. Get up.
Hi, Frizzy.
Look, he doesn't get up.
He wants to get up, but he doesn't want to. He got up!
Wait. Frizz. Frizz. Go to your room. Go to your room. Don't play with him. Don't play with him.
Okay.
Frizz. Frizzy.
Go to your room. Bad dog. Go to your room.
Go to your room, Frizz. Go. Go to your room. Frizz. Go to your room.
Go to your room.
Go to your room. Tell your roommate to
Go.
get out. Tell her to get out. Tell her, get out of my room. Tell her, Frizz. Go to your room, Frizz.
I'll
Go.
get her
No,
out.
let him do it. Let him do it. Go to your room, Frizz. Go.
Right here. Ah! She fed me.
Frizz.
Doesn't want to. She's fighting.
Oh, what a cute doggy. Oh, what a cute doggy. Cute doggy.
Frizz. Mom, he jumped and he fell like this. I bite her.
Do it again, Joshua.
Okay. Frizz, get up. Come on. Get up. Frizz. Ready?
Rachel, what's wrong with your hair? You need to brush it.
I'll push him since you're not going. You're heavy. Frizzy, come on.
Hey, stop jumping on the couch.
Well, he can't get past. Frizz, come here. Go over. This is gonna work. He's like, leave it alone. Feet? Smell my feet. Stinky feet. Ow!
It smells like Doritos. You're so lazy, Frizz. He doesn't get up at all.
Come on! Ow! Come here! Oh, I hurt him.
Well, don't.
Sorry! Come on! Don't bite me if you're lazy. Come on, boy. Here, I know what's there. Don't be mean. Come on. Come on. Get up. Want peanut? Peanut.